Do you ever look at super motivated people and wonder how they got to be that way? What's their secret? Do they know something I don't know? Maybe you start a project with a burst of enthusiasm, and you're supercharged. But a few days later you realize your passion has faded and your energy is gone. The truth is, motivation can be a fickle friend. Very elusive. But what if there were ways to ignite that spark without pulling your hair out? And what if there were ways to keep it burning bright, day after day? Let's take a look at some simple ways to increase motivation. And let's start with the foremost problem that often gets in our way. We all get stuck sometimes. It can even seem inevitable. Waiting for motivation to strike before we take action, hoping that it will happen soon. Unfortunately, that line of thinking really doesn't work. It just doesn't work that way. Motivation and action actually work the other way around. Small actions trigger motivation. Just starting will help us to become motivated. And we need to realize that waiting to feel motivated can trap us in a cycle of procrastination. The key is to align our actions with our values, even on a small scale. Better awareness of our values will help us begin to take action. We will want to start implementing our plan and get on with it. That connection can be a huge motivator, and get us moving in the right direction. But motivation doesn't always come easily, with sunshine and rainbows. We might need to give it a little push. Sometimes it takes a clear decision to act, even if we don't feel enthusiastic. Our minds are like chatterboxes, constantly, quickly forming thoughts. Those internal monologues can be mental blocks that keep us from starting. Think only of things that are in your control, and things that you can see very clearly. Do not think about external factors that you cannot control, or about being perfect. You've got this. Start building simple, easy habits for consistent action. Focus on a tiny, achievable first step that you'll be able to do over and over every day. That's the key to lasting progress. Day-to-day repetition is what it takes. It may seem mundane at first, but it's essential. Seeing results will fuel the fire of your motivation and keep you going strong. Challenges are inevitable, but they're not roadblocks. You just need to jump over them. Reframe them as opportunities to learn and grow from the challenges you've overcome. As you improve, keep a strong why behind your goals. That's very important. Understanding your purpose will help you overcome your resistance. And when you feel overwhelmed by a big goal, thinking it'll take 50 steps? Break it down. Looking only at the first step will make starting a lot easier. It's not just about the destination, it's about enjoying the journey, every step along the way. Occupy your time with the process of working toward your goal. Keep your eye on the prize. Celebrate small milestones as you go, starting with the very first. Simple celebrations work wonders. It's okay to be silly, especially if you're alone. Take a moment for self-appreciation. Don't worry, no one is looking. Even if you backtrack and feel lost, always pause to acknowledge progress. It keeps you focused on your efforts. Every tiny bit of clarity will help and will add up over time. Setbacks happen, but they don't define you. Falling down is part of the process that we all go through. Bounce back with resilience. When that happens, you'll see that it feels really good. Challenge your negative self-talk after a setback. Only see one word in your mind's eye. Make some very sharp turns if you have to. Do whatever it takes without hesitation to stay on track. Force yourself to think positively. You'll be miles ahead of everyone else that doesn't have that going for them. Maintaining a positive attitude is like having a secret weapon. It's much better than what most people realize. To help keep your chin up, seek support from friends and family. You might be surprised what a difference that makes. Their encouragement can help you persevere during setbacks. Don't go it alone. Continue to focus on bright spots, the positive side of what you've done. You'll be surprised how much that helps. It can take you to new heights, boost your resilience to a new level, and keep you motivated. Taking care of your physical and mental health will help you stay at that peak level as well. Good health helps manage stress and keeps negative emotions in check. Be kind to yourself. Build self-compassion to bounce back more effectively. Aim for daily actions, not bursts of effort. Things that you enjoy will lift your spirits every day. Consistency is key. Spending time outdoors on a regular basis can be very beneficial and lift your mood. When you feel good and start a project, begin with just one task.
Form a habit of doing just one thing at a time.
Integrate new habits into your daily routine, and try to make them fun from the very beginning. Habit stacking is powerful.
Add new, productive habits to existing ones.
One by one, taking your time. As you adopt newfound beneficial habits, be sure to reward yourself daily. That will solidify your good behavior even more and keep you on track.
Remember, you've got this.
There's no better feeling than when you achieve your goals. Thanks for joining us on the road to better motivation.
It can start with just one simple idea to act upon. Please hit that subscribe button and continue to watch videos on our channel.
Our goal is to keep you inspired and help you with day-to-day motivation.
Every new day is a chance to make a real difference in your life.